Welcome to our channel, kids. Let's learn together. Let's learn daily conversation for kids in easy way. Where are you going? I am going to school. Can you jump? Yes, can you jump high? What are you doing? I am playing with my doll. What are you eating? I am eating cake. Are you okay? I am fine, thank you. What is this? This is a doll. Are you singing? Yes, I am singing a song. Can you run fast? Yes, I can run very fast. What are you reading? I am reading a book. What are you drawing? I am drawing a cat. Who are you helping? I am helping my friend. What are you cooking? I am cooking pasta. Where are you sitting? I am sitting on the chair. Are you dancing? Yes, I am dancing to the music. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim in the pool. What are you writing? I am writing a letter. Are you listening? Yes, I am listening carefully. Can you climb the tree? Yes, I can climb the tree. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends.